Okay guys, I've done all this video once. I've got to press record. Hey, you wouldn't get that. Yeah. Towers over the road there. I was saying it's just a bit of a tax fiddle, I think, that bar. It's not open very often. Yeah. We'll have a look. So we're going down on the strip. We're just discussing the England game. What do you think, guys? Do you think that was a good game, or do you think it was one of these pathetic World Cup games? Really, I think. Iran?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it right this time. Yeah, they put their goalkeeper got injured, and they put a substitute goalkeeper on. I think he'd just been brought off the street. You know, it's the right, probably picked him out of the crowd. Never got anywhere near any of the balls. Surely a goalkeeper would have stood more chance they'd put a goalkeeper in. And the other point is England let 2 goals in. Wow. One of the lowest teams in the World Cup. Anyway guys, we're just going to have a walk round here now in the Western Saloon Bar over there. It just doesn't seem to be any atmosphere over here. Cool. Yeah. A little bit of shouting in the bar, but yeah. You expect when England score 6. They don't do that very often. But it's another one of them non-matches really.
Does sort of make you think, though, if it were in summer, would it be busier down here?
Yeah, it probably would, Marcus, but you know, we're down on the English end now, so you'd have thought they'd come out and support England. There's a few guys, don't get me wrong. From what we've seen, none of the bars were really packed. We were in pads, we went inside, it was a bit cold. That might have put a few people off. It's been a little bit cold today. Anyway, just having a walk down the strip. We're going to go down to Morgan's. And then we're going to try and find something on the front to do. Pretty cool today. It's 20 degrees earlier, which is pretty cool for around here. Black chicken down there. What are we calling me, Marcus? Yeah, there we go.
Street up there on the right.
Still a lot of roadworks going on up our way. Yeah, redoing all the paths and the drains up there. Must be spending a fortune this year on all this lot. Coach is starting coming in again now. I think that one's just dropped off. So yeah, we're all Wales later on. Hope they do alright in the first game. First time they've made the World Cup for 1950 something, I think it was, 1954 I think. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. They've done well already. We'll get in sport them too later on. There's Morgan's.
Unbelievably, only 7 shows on tonight.
There's 7 shows.
Yep.
Going out of business, are they, Marcus? God.
I think it's just
Maybe they don't not put
end
the other one
of
up.
season.
Yeah, they usually have about 8 on. There we go. Flagship at Benidorm. I just thought that one, Marcus.
Yeah, got to.
Yeah, so I got a bit of music going on over the flash. Really wasn't sported today. I think we'll have to wait till we get into the
Finals,
quarterfinals,
semi-finals.
semi-finals, you reckon, guys? Oh. Lydia Benidorm shut up early. Yeah, I don't know whether they're going to do some refurb on that this year or what's going on with it. Yeah. And Marcus said he's seen the homies climbing over. He's getting the back there. So you can guarantee that's going to be need a good clean up again. I don't know whether they've shut it because they've got other hotels in the group, maybe. Not enough bookings. Just have to see how it goes.
Hello. Are you with Olium? Hello.
Oh,
Hey.
guys.
It's a bit of unusual site for the palm tree. Been over like that.
Needs some for aqua.
Yeah, lockdown. I think a lot of the homeless are sleeping round in there. I don't know whether they actually got into the building or not.
No, they're just outside. You just missed them.
Yeah. Okay, we'll not put them on camera because they probably don't want to be recognised as homeless. Like, well, yep. It's getting a bit cooler for them now, though, so I suppose they're finding somewhere better to sleep. Yeah, 21 degrees, absolute freezing, guys. Food shop there. Let's have a quick look at the exchange rate. What have we got today? 113.5. Gone up a little bit, guys. Something like the 150 it used to be a couple of years ago. There we go. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.